to the Super Sons. This is the 6th episode of Nerf Mania, and I'm wearing pajamas, but don't mind that. I told you guys I was gonna do a mega video, but instead I am doing springer rifles, which I said I do. But I'm gonna just change it around and do springers, then vortex, then mega at the back. I just kind of swapped it. And I wanted to do a video yesterday, but it was Thanksgiving. I had no time. And Black Friday. Oh my god. But these are the 3 guns, and you already seen them probably. And can I show you my setup? It's really hard. This is my setup for all my Nerf guns. And I got a new one today. But don't worry, I got more for Black Friday. And I'll do a Christmas special, but that's way in the future. I have 3 boxes like that and one. It's nicer than it used to be. I used to fill all of my guns in there. And I had to label them 3, 2, 1, and this is 4. But it's really hard, and I just have to fill each one. Let me show you. Each one is filled with just Nerf. It's 2, and I have to label them so I know which one's which. But yeah, it's a smaller setup than my revolvers video. I mean, actually I'll just add one more tower. But it's good enough for it. Sorry guys, isn't this amazing content? But I'm sorry about no videos. Just say you guys wouldn't have cared anyways, but sorry, I have to position you guys. Okay, so we've seen all these except for one. This is the Recon. You've already heard 6-shot. I don't have this stuff on because I want this to be like whatever. Then the Long Strike. You've seen this. And my newest blaster, the Alpha Trooper, that comes with a full-out stock. 6-shot, and it's pretty much a Recon with this, but it has Slamfire. You'll see what that is. But we'll start the all iconic Recon or Retaliator. So yeah, I'll try to do as least editing, or I'm not gonna do speed ups. I'm just gonna skip it. So, and all of them have 6 shots, and you'll see the finale. I always do something for the finale. You guys see them? Huh. Oh my god, just there you go. Just great performance. That was just, give it a round of applause. That was the Recon. It's old, and to be fair, I have to say that was pretty good. I thought I was gonna completely fair, but I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and now we have the Long Strike. It's a pretty good blaster. It's pretty nice to hold too. So, isn't this better than the revolvers video? I have it better. Okay. What is this? Okay. What just happened? Oh, chamber. Let me get 2 new darts because it's all glitched out. Keep in mind, these are the Recon and this one are older. What is happening? Getting okay. Sorry, I don't know what happened. That sucked. I think that the weekend did bad. I don't know. I don't even have to skip it. It barely even hit everything. Look at this. Alright, well, it's from Goodwill to be fair, and I got it for $4. Is something happen with like the catch mechanism? It happens the weekend sometimes. But now we have the Alpha Trooper, which is the newest one, like the newest out of all of these, and it's my newest blaster. So let's do this. Probably the best performance. That's it. Okay, I will be right back with something. Okay, I'm back. And the thing I wanted to do, I added a little more, just a bigger thing, and added one more. But a 25 round drum. Now the reason I did it out of all these guns is it's slam fire. Now it's kind of like, think of it as full auto with springers. So you just, so you hold down the trigger and you pull it, but it's already cocked. So, I don't know how this is gonna go. Let's watch. It was kind of odd. I mean, like when I was first doing it, it was kind of iffy, I'll say, because the thing was, the bullets from the 25 round drum chamber in really, really fast, and the gun is like freaking out when it has to slam fire, and then it doesn't get enough air and it's going too fast. It's weird, and it's a good gun. Don't take me wrong, it's just 25 round drum is garbage to all the other guns but the hyper fire. Or like a gun that's able to handle it. This, it can handle it, but at the same time it can't. This stock, I don't use. It's just what it was. I mean, it's cool looking. It makes it look cool. Like you feel like James Bond with it, like conceal and carry, like dun, 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 like long strike, like cool, cool. But yeah, that's it. And don't worry, I'm just gonna sleep in this, like. Seems pretty comfy. Bullets and darts and cans. I bumped you guys. Just be careful. Oh, you're down, you piece of junk. Thank you.